Standing with the YouTube. It's your boy Dre. We got another video coming. We about to go check on the Cutlass, the Hurst, see how we looking. I had to get some work done to it that I couldn't do here myself for space reasons and for me not having the tools to get that done. But yeah, that's neither here nor there. So we're about to take a ride to Motive and check and see what they done got done to the Cutlass and see what else they got up there. So I'll turn y'all back on in just a minute after I get out of this neighborhood. And yeah, we're gonna end it like that. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, man, what's going on? How y'all week been? Matter of fact, how y'all day going? Yeah, I'm just out, man. I'm just glad to be out. Glad this work week is over with. Been kind of long. I'm ready for the weekend. I got a big event that I'm doing Saturday morning. Man, it's an event with 8 Ball. You know, I don't know if he's gonna be there, man, but I hope he's gonna be there. I'm like, dude, I grew up off his music, so I think it'd be dope if he's there and I'm able to create my content while I'm there. I was shocked to see the email come through, a couple days ago, saying I was selected to get a spot to do content. So, you know, they just want to make sure that it's respectful content and nothing that's gonna make their brand look bad, which I completely understand, 100%. But yeah, we going up to Motive, man, to check on the car, man, and see what else they got up there. They got a nice little red truck they've been working on. I think that's one of their shop projects. So I think it'll be pretty cool to see if we can get some content on that. And we'll see what else they got going on around the shop. It's a little hot today, man. They say it's 97, but I'm pretty sure it's probably about 103, 105. That's probably what it feels like. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I know I keep turning y'all off, but I'm about to turn on a little music, man, and head over to the shop for a little bit. And I'll let y'all know when I get there. Peace. What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Dre, man. We back. We are here at Motive Autoworks. About to go in here and see what they got going on. I was just really not too long ago in here checking on the Cutlass. But I think you say on this truck they did an LS swap on it. We'll go to Hurst. The good thing is the AC is fixed on it now. So we looking good on that end. Had to change the AC blower in here and we changed the fuse. What's going on, man? How you doing? All right. Huh? Oh, no, I'm good. Appreciate it. So, man, how you doing? So, yeah. So I think we're gonna have to change out. We're gonna have to go into the valves and check it and see where the white smoke is coming from. Then we'll go from there. Let's go check out this LS swap.
I'm from Motive Autoworks. I'm one of the business owners here at Motive Autoworks in Arlington, Texas. Today we're working on it's a Hurst style. Is it a Hurst? Yeah, Hurst. Yeah, it's a Hurst. He came in for some AC repair, a little bit of rich coming out of the carburetor, and a little bit of smoke. We're gonna try to check that out. Walk through here. Here's another one of our vehicles. 78 C10, fully air ride, fixing the AC, doing a little bit of engine work, brake system. We got another white one here. I'm going too fast. Doing an LS swap on this one. Right now we're doing the fans, keep it from overheating. And we got this beautiful Monte Carlo, same things coming in for AC work as well. We do a lot of different kind of builds here, whether it's general automotive repair. We also fix a lot of LS issues that a lot of customers have, whether if it's tuning, running too lean or too rich on your engines, transmission problems, gear differentials. We fix all that here. Come on, this one right here. Chevy Avalanche. This one here, we're doing some cylinder heads on this one. Customer got it overheated and blew out a cylinder head gasket. It's another one of our boys right here. He's got a Delta 88. On this one here, he's got a vacuum leak, and we're trying to figure out what's causing this issue with his engine through a smoke test. Yeah, this one's really, really nice. I like this one. I like the color, man. The color is really badass. It's different from everything else that we get in here. OBS, we're doing another LS swap. We're trying to keep the AC factory style on the driver's side. We have another blue Chevy C10. Same thing, we're finishing up an LS swap on these. Now, sorry about the firewall, the paint. The customer's just like, hey, I want to put an LS in there. Let's get it done. All right, we got you. Yeah, man, it's in and out. We got this white Camaro, same thing. We're doing AC work. Yeah, he had a AC problem, and then he had a coolant leak as well, so we're fixing that for the customer. Yeah. We could be here all day talking about this beautiful, beautiful Camaro. Yeah, full chassis work, full custom interior, supercharged. So from what I'm understanding, the customer bought a Corvette, gutted the Corvette out, and then put everything took everything out of the Corvette and then put it in this Camaro. Yeah, I believe the customer did it himself. For
like a new car then.
Yeah, pretty much new car. So we're just trying to get the kinks out of this one, you know, for him as well. So it's a bad boy.
All right, man, we back in the car, man. We about to get ready to get up out of here. Leaving Motive Autoworks. I just showed y'all what I got done to the car, what I'm getting done to the car, what John and them is working on, what they troubleshooting, stuff that I couldn't figure out. So we all working together to see what we can do to get this car back to where it need to be and be on the road, enjoying it, you know what I'm saying? But that's what it's there for me to enjoy on the weekends. But if y'all need anything from Motive Autoworks, man, just give him a call at 682-248-3711. Tell him Dre sent you. They'll take good care of you. You know, he's not gonna pull your leg. He's not gonna sugarcoat anything. If it's something that they can do, like he would definitely say if they can do it, and if not, like he'll shoot you in the direction they can. Very trustworthy shop. So if I bring my baby up here, trust me, you should be able to bring yours. All right, man, that's the end of this video, man. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.